Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Analytics certification and share results on LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Google Analytics Academy website. Sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, find the Analytics section on the homepage. Select the Google Analytics certification course you want to take. Click on Start Course to begin. Follow the course materials and complete all the lessons. After finishing the lessons, locate the final exam module. Prepare and study using the provided resources before taking the exam. Once you feel ready, click on Take Exam. Complete the exam within the allotted time frame. Upon passing, you will receive your certification. Download your certification by clicking the download link. Now, log in to your LinkedIn account. Go to your profile page. Click on the Add Profile section button. Select Licenses and Certifications from the drop-down menu. Fill in the certification details including the name, issuing organization, and issue date. Upload the certification file you downloaded from Google Analytics. Choose whether to share this on your LinkedIn feed. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Your Google Analytics certification is now visible on your LinkedIn profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.